I'm talking to and it's gonna go do its thing on and have its own will and plan with others, but it can't put it. I can imagine in the far future other versions of artificial intelligence, different setups that are not a large language model that could do that. It really took a decade plus of social media being in the world for us to sort of realize and even characterize some of the real downsides of this. How should we be measuring it here with AI? There's a number of new organizations starting, and I expect relatively soon there will be new governmental departments or commissions or groups starting. Is the government prepared for this? They are beginning to really pay attention, which I think is great, and I think this is another reason that's important to push these technologies out into the world. We really need the government's attention. We really need the thoughtful policy here, and that takes a while to do. Right now, to protect people and protect from the downside of this technology, what should they do? The main thing I would like to see the government do today is really come up to speed quickly on understanding what's happening, get insight into the top efforts where our capabilities are what we're doing, and I think that could start right. Now, are you speaking to the government? Your content, regular contact. And do you think they get it more and more every day when it comes to schools? You have this technology can beat most humans at the stats. The bar is then. How should schools be integrating this technology in a way that doesn't increase cheating, that doesn't increase laziness among students? Education is going to have to change, but it's happened many other times with technology when we got the calculator, the way we taught math, and what we tested students on that totally changed. The problem is the promise of this technology. One of the ones that I'm most excited about it is the ability to provide great individual learning for each student. You're already seeing students using ChatGPT for this in a very primitive way to great success, and as companies take our technology and create dedicated platforms for this kind of learning, I think it will revolutionize education, and I think that kids that are starting the education process today, by the time they graduate from high school, are going to be more smarter and more capable than we can imagine. Is a little better than the TI 85 is a little better, but it is just put a lot of pressure on teachers to it. For example, if they assigned an essay, three of their students use ChatGPT to write that essay. How are they going to figure that out? I've talked to a lot of teachers about